In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Continuing our annual tradition, FundQuest celebrated this Christmas by visiting 2 orphanage homes. We brought gifts, shared special moments, and spread joy, love, and warmth. This season reminds us that life is about giving, sharing, and spreading love. Let us continue to make a difference in the lives of those who need it most. Together, we can create a ripple of compassion. From all of us at FundQuest, we wish you a joyous Boxing Day.